Hey guys, I've got this Victiv tripod that I'm excited to try out. I do a lot of video shooting, so this is going to be really nice. I like the fact that it'll do both your cell phone and it'll also do pretty much any size camera from what it looks like. So let's open it up and check it out. It's always nice to have something that holds your camera nice and steady for you. Oh, awesome. Nice bag, so you can carry it where you need to. This is our cell phone attachment, which is what I'm going to be primarily using. Perfect. Let's see, yeah, nice bag. Looks like it is going to extend. Put it right over your bag, nice and comfortable. Perfect, absolutely perfect. So let's see what we got inside the bag. Really nice. I like the color. You got the nice orange one. This one, when I was looking at it, it looks like it comes in both orange or black. I like the orange because it stands out. I can see it a little bit better. Okay. That's interesting. So it's got a little hook on the bottom here. I've got a nice little handle. It's got a level, so that's nice. All kinds of stuff that comes inside of the bag. This one is the MT70 by Victiv. All right, look at that. Oh, I like that it's got the crank too. I didn't even notice that. Oh, you gotta loosen this up. So it'll go up and down for you. Oh, awesome. Sweet. It goes up pretty high. Got another attachment that's going to let it swivel and pivot in all kinds of different directions. This is my cell phone. This piece comes off to make it easy to install. It's got a little twist in the back. That's nice. There we go. This guy can just fit right inside of there. Perfect for shooting. It extends really tall, a lot taller than I could use, but if you needed to get something really high, or what's nice is if you're looking down on something, you can get a really tall perspective for shooting. This will house cameras of any size. It does have a different attachment for that. I'm going to be using it for my cell phone. Doing a lot of recording this way, sideways. It cranks down to any size that you want. This is a really nice looking product. It feels nice and sturdy. I believe this is aluminum. It has to be. It's super lightweight. It has a nice carrying handle. It's got a little hanger here so you could, hang your stuff. Maybe even secure it if you needed to. But I like it. It looks like it's a really good tripod. It's going to work very well for what I need. Check it out. Click on the link below and pick one up.